Hey tubers, second chance mowers coming at you. And today we got a regular Troybilt, I don't know, Troybilt pony, Troybilt Bronco, whatever you want to call them. This one's just a Troybilt. You can tell it may have been sitting for a minute or two. I already tore into it a little bit. First problem I realized, starter was seized, so I changed the starter. So annoyed. Well, as soon as I changed the starter, it started, but it didn't not stop starting. So the solenoid was garbage, so I changed that, and that leaves me where I'm at now. Where I'm at now today is probably, it makes a popping sound. So, look at this though. I feel like it's been leaking some oil, so I'm assuming the head gasket's gone. Maybe not, but I'm gonna assume it is. So maybe a head gasket, but it's popping. And the reason it's popping is it could be that carb, or maybe a broken keyway. I'm gonna check the keyway real quick because I already took this off. Maybe. Well, the mice have devoured the wire for the, so it's gonna need a coil. Yeah, so we'll pause and we'll be back.